If you're somebody who doesn't settle for anything less than perfect, we've got just the place for you. Presenting Western Ave W3 in London, a student accommodation designed specifically for high living. Nestled in the vibrant North Acton neighborhood, Western Ave W3 offers a splendid range of classic studio apartments, each thoughtfully furnished with a cozy double bed, dedicated study station, and ample storage space, along with private bathroom and a sparkling new kitchenette to cater to your culinary cravings. But wait, there's more. With a dedicated study area and lightning-fast Wi-Fi, you'll always stay at the top of your academic game. Plus, the best part, all your bills are included, making your stay super comfortable and incredibly cost-efficient. Speaking of location, Western Ave W3 is just a quick ride away from University of West London and Met Film School, ensuring a seamless daily commute. When you're all set to experience London life in its entirety, both Victoria Road North Acton bus stop and North Acton subway station are just 10-minute stroll away. Plus, London's vibrant dining scenes are all yours to explore, with Spicy Shack and Nando's Park Royal being a stone's throw away. So, what's holding you back? Head over to amberstudent.com and unlock the ultimate student accommodation experience with Western Ave W3.